Today we are doing agriculture and we are doing animal nutrition. We are continuing with our topic about animals. Last week we learned about the uses of domestic animals, and we said that they help us in a lot of things. They provide security, like dogs, and the donkeys and the cattle. They help us in plowing, and also we benefit meat, milk from cattle, goats.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Agatha. How are you? Okay, so we are continuing in order for those animals to be able to help us to do work, and also to provide us with meat, milk, and
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Skynis. How are you? But I can't see you. I'm only hearing your voice. Can you hear me, Skyniso? Oh, she disappeared. Okay. So in order for these animals to give us milk, provide us with meat, and to be able to pull those wagons, they are supposed to be fed. They are supposed to be fed. So today we are going to talk about animal nutrition. Animal nutrition. Can we write it down? Mel is coming. Okay, Scarlett, can you write it down? Agatha and already written that. Mel, we are doing animal nutrition. And,
There's noise.
eh?
There is still noise.
Let me unmute you. It is coming from you there. Okay. Can you hear me clearly now? Raise up your hand, Mishi. If you can hear me, okay. Okay, so I said we are talking about, we are learning, discussing about animal nutrition. And I was explaining that in order for the animals to be productive or to give us meat, eggs, milk, and also do work for us, some of them, they do work for us, we have to feed them. So nutrition, it means that we are giving them feed that helps the animals to grow properly and healthy. To grow properly and healthy. And we want to talk about the types of feeds. The types of feeds that we give to these animals. Types of feeds. Can you take that down? Okay, types of feeds. Don't write foods, feeds. F-E-E-D-S. Okay. So this is food that is given to domestic animals, and they can be grouped as natural and commercial. They can be grouped as natural and commercial feed. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. And we want to talk about natural feed. Natural feed first. This is given to domestic animals that is within the local environment, which means they grow naturally within the local environment. That's natural feed. And then commercial feed, it is made So which means it is man-made. It is made for animals, and farmers have to buy them so that they can give their animals. Okay, so we have talked about natural feed, and I've said they grow naturally within the environment. And then we have got commercial feed that is manufactured, made by men, and farmers buy them in order to feed their animals. Then in detail, natural feed are made of plants. They are made of plants, natural feed, like what I've said, that they grow on their own. They are made of plants which provide different nutrients. They provide different nutrients, such as starch and protein. These natural feeds, they provide nutrients such as starch and protein. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. And then the starch food, they are energy giving food. They are energy giving feed. Examples, we can have maize, sorghum, millet. Okay, you want to take that down? Maize, sorghum. Sorghum is spelled as Sorghum. And then also you've got millet, MILL.
Not you.
Sorry, Agatha, what I say? Can you come
I
again?
did not hear you.
You
I
have?
did not hear you.
Okay.
I did not hear you.
All right, the examples. On the examples, Agatha, you didn't hear the examples part?
Yes.
Okay, I said maize. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Sorghum, and I said the spelling is SORGHUM. SORGHUM. Okay, and then millet, MILLET. Sanyiso, can you hear me?
Yes.
Good. Mel, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. And then Rapoko, 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 and barley, barley, it's Mishi, BARLE, barley, BARLEY. Okay, so these are examples of the natural feeds. Natural feeds. And I've said we get starch and protein. So the examples that I've just given you, they are examples of natural feed, but they are starch food. Starch food, those that are energy giving. And then the other part is protein. protein feeds. We are still on natural feed. We are still on natural feed. We can break it down. We can break it down into starch feed and also protein feed. We have just given examples of starch feed. Now we are moving on to protein feed. And these ones are body building. Body building. Proteins build body, the body, whilst starch give us energy. Okay, so the protein feed, we have got ground nuts, okay. Under protein feeds, we have got groundnuts, we have got soya beans, and lucerne, L-U, let's write it down, L-U-C-E, L-U-C-E.
I did
Okay, you are breaking, Agatha. Can you come again?
you.
Which ones, the examples for protein feeds? Is it the examples, Agatha, for protein feeds?
Yes,
Okay, I
I
said
didn't see.
groundnuts. Have you written groundnuts?
Yes,
Okay, and then write soya beans. Can you hear me, Agatha? Okay, and Mary, your hand was up.
mm,
You wanted to say?
ground
Huh? You wanted,
nuts and
yeah?
ground nuts and
Soya beans, yes. And lucerne, L-U, can we write it down, Mel? L-U-C-E. Can you say, have you written down?
yes,
Good. Lucerne. Michelle, have you written it? Good girl.
yes,
Okay, Mel, have you written?
yes,
Agatha, have you written groundnuts, soya beans, and lucerne? Agatha, it seems today she's got a problem. Okay, and let me tell you a secret about these ones. If you want to remember them, if you have forgotten the examples for protein feeds, you just have to remember that these are legumes. These are legumes. It means their seeds are inside. They are inside a pod. And you have to take the seeds from inside. They are covered. Can you see? Look at groundnuts. Look at soya beans. Look at even round nuts. They are even beans. They are inside something that cover. We call them pods. Are we together?
yes, yes.
Yes, so always remember that. And then what can you say about the examples for starch feeds? Millet, rapoko, sorghum, maize. What can we call them? What is an umbrella name for that? What do we call them? It starts with a C. Millet, rapoko, sorghum, maize, and barley. What do we call those? It starts with a C, a group name for those. These ones for proteins, we say the group name is legumes. Legumes with Legumes. Legumes, write it in brackets where you have written your last example there. Where you have written Lucerne, write in brackets legumes. Legumes. And I have said these ones, they are inside a pod. They are inside a pod. It is like a case, and you have to break it, open it, and you find the seeds inside. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, and then millet, rapoko, maize, we can call these cereals. They are called cereals. C-E, cereals. C-E-R-E. Can you hear me, Agatha?
Yes.
C-E-R-E-A-L. Mishi, what is happening with the eyes? Okay. Right, cereals, cereals. These are called cereals. If you are asked to give an example of a cereal crop, you mention maize, you mention sorghum, millet, rapoko, and barley. Okay. Commercial feed, like what I have said, it is manufactured. Manufactured means it is made. And it may be mixed with natural feed. It can be mixed with natural feed and processed with other food nutrients to help animals grow. Okay, so we are done with natural feed, what they are in the examples, and then commercial feed and also the examples. Now we want to move on to the to the feeds themselves. Let's name them. Like we have got feed for broilers, feed for broilers. Feed for broilers. Who can tell me what is a broiler? We did this last week. What is a broiler? Oh, guys, come on. What is a broiler? Okay, Michelle is saying something. Okay. Michelle, tell us what is a broiler? She's now shaking her head. You have forgotten, all of you. We said broilers are chickens that are kept for what? For meat. Chickens kept for meat. What about those for eggs? What do we call them? Yes, Taniso?
Hens. Layers.
Yes, they are called layers. Don't forget this, Auntie. That broilers are for meat and layers are for eggs. So we want to look at the type of feed that is given to these broilers. They are given in 3 stages. The first stage, which is the first 2 weeks, we give them broiler starter mash, or it is called chick mash. Broiler starter mash, it's MASH. Broiler starter mash, and then we have got the next 2 minutes. And then the next, it's growers mesh, and this one is given between 3 to 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. And then we have got broiler finisher mesh. You are going to find this from the pages that I've given you. I'm now going fast because it's almost time. Broiler finisher mesh, it is given for the last 2 weeks. So it means that chickens are kept for about 6 weeks before they start to sell them. And then lastly, we have got layers. They are given chick starter mesh, growers mesh, layers mesh, and layers pellets, and then layers crumbs. So it is important to give the correct amount of food and the correct type of feed so that they can grow healthy. And then we have some other small animals that are also fed, like rabbits. They are given pellets, and there are also some small livestock for production of eggs and meat, which can be sold for money. Most small livestock, they belong to a group of animals called poultry. Examples are chickens, quails, turkeys, guinea fowls, pigeons, and duck. Okay, I hope you got what we were doing today on animal nutrition, that we have got 2 types, natural and commercial, and then the examples. Can you please refer to the pages that I've given you? Your exercise is on page 98, and I am going to upload that. And until we meet again next week, have a nice weekend and do all your work. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Yes.